Now in this video, I'm going to give you 3 tips that will help you increase your commissions inside of the Amazon Influencer Program. And honestly, if I were to go back to my younger self, I would say do these 3 things right now and always, because it will just compound your commissions far more than you can think of. Real quick, my name is Mark and this is a brand new channel. If you like these videos and want to continue to learn about how to make more money on Amazon, go ahead, hit the like button. And if just one person subscribes to my channel from this video, I'll continue to post about how to help you make more money on Amazon every week. Let's dive in. Now, my first tip is going to be what I call breaking down product bundles. Okay. Now, what I mean by that is some products on Amazon are sold individually, like it's just one item, it is one phone case, but sometimes it's going to be sold as a set or a bundle, whether that's multiple variations of the same product, but they differ by color or size or flavor. And what you can do is not only review the bundle itself, but also each individual item. Okay, let me explain. So I recently reviewed this protein bar set. Okay, it's called Built Bar, and this kind is the Built Bar Puff Bars. All right, so I bought a variety pack and it comes with 12 and it comes with 2 of each kind of flavor. Now I'm going to review the actual pack itself. It's a mixed pack. It's $52. I can review that, but also I can go back and review each individual protein bar flavor itself. How you can know to do this is you need to tag each individual product ASIN. So I'm going to find the ASIN, or it's called the Amazon Standard Identification Number, for the mixed puff box. That's what it's called. I can find that in a few different ways. I can go to the URL, find the ASIN up there, or I have Review Pro and it's easily right here. I'm going to click copy and I can upload this product review video for the mixed puff pack. But I'm going to go back and I'm going to go and search for each individual protein bar on Amazon. And I can upload another review video for the chocolate brownie batter flavor. And then I can make another review video for the churro puff and another video for the mint chip puff. And so I'm repurposing more and more review videos for each individual item. And what I need to make sure is to tag the product correctly. Okay, tag the product correctly with the ASIN. That's how you know for sure. So I can buy this variety pack and usually I'll think, well, I'm just going to upload one review video for this pack. But now I can repurpose and I have now what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So like more than 10, 12 individual review videos to post onto Amazon. Okay. So now I have 12 additional streams of income that I can earn from. So that's what I suggest doing. Another quick example of this is this ab roller wheel set. Okay. So usually you think, oh, okay, it's just like an ab roller, but it comes with a jump rope. It comes with push-up handlebars, it comes with resistance bands, everything. So I can upload a review video for this product itself and I can see the ASIN right here. So I'm going to copy that and I can upload my review video. But let's say if I search for jump rope on Amazon, I literally see that exact same jump rope right here on the right side. So now I can make another review video for that jump rope specifically and earn from that as well. And I can do the same thing with the push-up bars and the wrist wraps and the resistance bands, okay? Just make sure that it is the same product. Make sure that it is congruent together. That's how you can repurpose and make much more review videos with just one product originally. So overall, what you want to do is, if you can, take that one product, review it, but also see if you can break it down and make individual review videos for that one product, depending on if it comes with multiple parts or accessory items. Okay. Real quick, if you want to learn more on how to get approved into the influencer program or how to increase your commissions month after month, I have a free guide, the Amazon Influencer Cheat Code, that I'll link down below in the video description. It'll tell you everything you need to know about the influencer program, and think of it as my free gift to you for watching this video. Also inside the guide is a link to my Facebook group, which you can join for free, where you can ask questions, get more help, and learn the best practices for the influencer program. Like I said, this guide is in the video description. Make sure to grab your free copy. Tip number 2 is going to be to review more books, believe it or not. Why is that? Because one, books are totally overlooked. There are people buy books on Amazon more than you can believe. And books specifically have a commission rate of 4% instead of the normal 2%. And also, most books are priced between $20 to $50 sometimes. Like they're not just a $5 book here and there. They're usually higher priced. So another reason why I like books is most of the time you have at least like 10 or 15 books in your house just lying around. and they're also easy to find at friends and family's house to review. Okay. So that's my recommendation. Review more books. It's a better commission rate. Most people don't review books, what I've seen, and tons of people buy books on Amazon all the time because bookstores obviously going out of business. It's so much more convenient to buy it on Amazon. And there's so many books on Amazon. Okay. Also, last thing about it is I find books to be a little bit more like long lasting. For example, you have some of the classics like The Greatest Generation, okay, or the Steve Jobs book, or Atomic Habits, and you'd be surprised how many of these books don't have very many review videos. So that's my biggest recommendation as well. Review more books. You will be surprised. Not only the fact that there's not much competition on them, but you're going to earn more consistently over an extended period of time because a lot of these books are evergreen. Okay. They are consistently being purchased. It's not just like a really popular product and then it goes down. All right. So review more books. You're going to earn more. Tip number 3, and probably the biggest, is learn how to find products that have low video competition on Amazon. If you can do that, you're going to earn more commissions and you're going to have a lot more direction on which products to tag, which products to review or not. Because some products have over 100 review videos and you have no idea. And you're wondering, why am I not making money on some of these products? It's most likely because they're saturated. If they're too competitive. If they're not, your video is going to get watched by default. So my solution to this is Review Pro, okay? I've been using Review Pro and it's so easy to use. Let me show you a little bit more in real time on how you can find this with this tool as far as how many videos are on this product page and how can I decide if it's a good product to review or not. So if you want to follow along with me in this example, you can get a free 14-day trial of Review Pro. I have the link down below in the video description. Download it, use it, cancel before the free trial ends if you want, but this will truly help you be more successful in the influencer program. So I have this new bread slicer for homemade bread. Awesome. What I could do is it shows me tons of these metrics, and if I want, I can hide any of these. But what I want to focus on specifically in this video is seeing how many other videos are on this product page. So I can see that there's 3 other influencer videos on here. I can see that there's about 10 videos at the bottom of the carousel, the bottom of the product page. But at the top, there's going to be 4 videos total. There's 1 brand video and 3 influencer videos. That means that if I upload a video for this product in particular, it is going to be seen by default because it's going to be uploaded to the top because it's not a full saturated video carousel. Okay. The most product videos that you can have at the top is going to be 6. So let's do another example. This jump rope. I can see that there's only 2 videos here at the top for this product. Okay. That's crazy. And also, if you're ever unsure, like, well, is it a good product to review or not? You can look at the pro score. The pro score is going to tell you if it's a good product to review or not, essentially. The closer it is to 100, if it's green, you're good to go. If not, it's either too saturated or your video might not get seen very much. So this product only has 2 videos at the top. If I upload my review video to this, it's going to get watched by default. Believe it or not, there's so many products that don't have very many review videos, but then there's some that have like 50, 100. The chances of my video getting watched, if there's 100 videos, are so slim. But if there's only 2, the chances are so much greater. Okay. So like I said, using this tool will help you get a better idea on what products are saturated, which ones are not. Get your 14-day free trial, just try it out. And I promise you, it will give you so much more direction when you are picking what products to review and what products to tag. Okay. Now, if you want to learn more about how to grow your commissions on Amazon, I highly recommend doing that through the Creator Connections program. You don't have to review any new products, but just utilize the reviews that you already have. Okay. I have a full tutorial that will show you step-by-step how to do the Creator Connections program, how to use it correctly. And I put that tutorial right up here. Go ahead and check it out and I'll see you there.